welcome to Rosekids! Do you remember what we made last time? Yes, we made various dinosaurs last time. Today we are going to make... Right, we are going to make a volcano today. What do we need? We need a paper plate, water, two kinds of white powder. I will tell you the secret at the end of the video. Spoon and small size empty bottle, red color paint, and clay. First, we are going to put this plastic bottle on the paper plate and make a volcano like a mountain. I'm going to use the clay. Whoa, look! I covered the plastic bottle with the clay, but it doesn't look like a mountain or volcano. I will make like triangle shape. Yay! We made a volcano here. We put the plastic bottle inside, so it's empty. This is the interesting part. First, we are going to put the white powder into the volcano. I will tell you what it is a little bit later. And this time, I have another kind of white powder. I'm going to put this white powder into the water and stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. And I have red color paint and I'm going to squeeze it into the volcano. See? And now we are going to make a volcano. This is the most important and the interesting part. And we need our friend Dinosaur. Come on, Dinosaur. Yay! I'm ready. Are you ready too? Yes, let's make volcano. We are going to pour this special water into the volcano. See what happens. Look! But it's not red color yet. You know, the lava is red color, but we can see some bubbles like lava and we can see some smoke here. Okay, let's try again. Wow, look! Okay, I'm going to try some more. Look! This is the volcano! The volcano is erupting now! Ooh! Look! It looks like a real volcano! It's amazing! See! Wow, awesome! I poured this special water into the volcano and it makes bubble and it's erupting! Great job, everybody! Did you see that? Yes! Okay, everybody, I will tell you the secret. The first white powder is baking soda. We put 3 or 4 spoons baking soda into the volcano. And the second powder is... This is citric acid. I put the citric acid into the water and stir, stir, stir. If you don't have the citric acid, you can use vinegar. Great job, everybody! Did you have fun today? Yeah, that's really interesting science experiment. You can also make your own volcano with your mommy and daddy. It's gonna be really fun. And now, Roy, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye, dinosaurs.